and we continue with the series of Steam hidden features that helps you to personalize Steam interface behavior and to customize it to your preferences. Today, I will show you how to get rid of this pop-up window when you launch Steam that notify you for certain deals, new releases, news, and so on. So if you for some reason don't want it to show up every time you launch Steam, here is how you can turn it off. In top left corner, click on Steam and select Settings. On the left side, select Interface, and at the bottom of this page, you will see this option, Notify me about additions or changes to my games, new releases, and upcoming releases. Toggle this switch to off, and you will no longer get that pop-up window when you launch Steam. You have one more setting that you might be interested to change, and that is Startup Location. I have it on Store, and that means when I first launch Steam, I will be at Store page. But you can change it if you wish to Store, Library, News, Friend Activity, or Community Home. I hope that this video was useful to you and you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more of these kind of videos. Until next time, stay safe, happy gaming, and I'll see you all.